you guys are doing well, and so I hope you guys saw my science experiment on the underwater volcano. I loved it and hope you guys loved it. And if you have not seen that video, the link is also given in the description box and also in the cards. You can just choose. And so today we are going to be going to do another science experiment, which is water fireworks. Water fireworks? You're wondering what is that, right? So let's get started. So now to do the experiment of water fireworks, I need 10 ml of oil, as you can see. Okay, 10 ml of oil. And I have just filled up to the almost with water. I have just put in a little bit space in between. Okay, I have filled it with water almost to the up. There is no measurement. You will fill the water depending on your glass. Okay, and it can be any glass, plastic or whatever, one glass which have been unused or you don't use, you can use that glass as well. And finally we need a cup, a big one, a big cup, so that it's easy to mix stuff. And there are the colors. So I have taken 3 colors. If you wish, you can take 2 colors, but you need to at least take 2 colors. So to understand that the fireworks are colorful, right? So this is the blue color, red color and yellow color. I had these 3 colors, so I have taken all the colors I had. And this is the spatula. So now let's get started with the experiment. So now first I have taken the oil, 10 ml oil, and I will just put it here. Okay, I will just use the spatula to put the whole oil so that it doesn't spill after I keep it on the table. You know, my mom will scold it out of me if I just spill it all over the table. Okay, so now I have put in the oil. So now I will take the colors. So I will, actually I don't think the yellow color will match. Actually the oil is yellow, so let's minus the yellow right now. I will just take these 2 color. Okay, so now this is the blue color. I will add 2 to 3 drops. Okay, so I have I have put 3 drops of blue color. Okay, as you can see, I have put in 3 drops of blue color. Now I will put as same amount of red color, 3 drops exactly. I don't know if you can differentiate between these 2 colors, but these 2 colors are different. Okay, okay. So now I'm just gonna be mixing it. Okay, mixing it with the spatula. As you can see, the colors aren't mixing with the oil. Okay, it's separating. Okay, small dots are forming as I am going further and mixing it, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing it a little bit more. As you can see, these has formed little dots. Okay, and I'm gonna be mixing it a little bit more. Okay, so now what I will be doing is keeping away the spatula. Okay, I've already spilled it on the table, and now I will take the glass bottle. Okay, and I will pour it out with the colors. Okay, pour it out. So now what I am seeing, like I can see here like little drops of like little drops of color are like slowly coming down. Okay, I have a bit of blue and then red, and then you can see like these are like working like fireworks. Like the colors are slowly coming down, and as you can see like on this side, purple color has also formed. Okay, a little bit purplish color has also formed. Like I gave blue and red, right? So it mixed to form purple. Hope you guys can see it. Like slowly the colors are going down, moving down and moving down. See, another drop of color just moved down. So like this is like not all the color is mixing together. If you can see, like it didn't mix the moment from I poured it. It's going down slowly like fireworks. It's all jumbled and it's like going really slow. So as you can see guys, like I just waited for a little bit more longer. Okay, and now like the color is more prominent. Okay, so I can see like you guys, I hope you can see as well, like the colors are all drifting away. But the colors, all colors didn't go down in the same time. Now why do you think that happened? Because like this happened because like oil and water do not mix. They are immiscible liquids. Okay, so the color didn't go at once. Like the oil prevented the colors from going down like slowly. Oil prevented like the color to go, or like if I add only only like if I add only color, okay, to the water, it would have like mixed in an instant, right? But when I put the like the color in the oil and then put in the water, what happened? My color is starting dissolving really slow. Okay, so this is like, as I said in the previous video, this is the property of oil which is known as viscosity, and which like the thickiness and the miscible liquids property is like preventing it to fall down. Okay, all at once, the colors to fall down all at once. It's like falling down slowly. Like the first glance, I don't think you guys could see it really like well, but now it's like becoming more and more prominent, as you can see in the color. So as you guys saw the water fireworks, I just loved it. Okay, and I also like gave a shots when the like color started. I like lost a little bit of hope when like little colors were coming. I thought it wouldn't work, but like when the colors like became a little bit more prominent, I was so amazed. Like it was just beautiful. You can also see my short to do that. Okay, and like slowly now, like all the water like has been a little bit colored. Okay, and the water like firework thing has much more gone. Like the colors are still coming down. There are little bit amounts of color in the oil left. Okay, so I hope you guys loved the experiment, and I just loved it. It was like the sight was so beautiful, and please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so that whenever I give a cool science experiment or a tour video or any maths video which I have been not giving a while, I assure you it will come on Monday or Tuesday maybe. Okay, so it will come, and hope you guys like the video. So please like, share and subscribe. Bye.